Q R S T U N V W X Y and Z T U N V X Y. Ano na? Hello, amazing friends! Welcome to Maradona.tv. In this video, we are going to study our first lesson. And this lesson is for the beginners and adults who want to enhance or to improve their communication skills. And now, let's begin with our English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Our English alphabet has two sounds, the vowels and the consonants. Here are the vowels: A, E, I, O, U. The consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And to make our lessons be more exciting, let us sing ABCD. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Wow!
Now you know your ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? And now let's proceed to our counting of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And now by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And now by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's proceed to our quick assessment. You have 7 questions to answer. Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the 5th letter of the English alphabet? I will repeat. What is the 5th letter of the English alphabet? Number 2. What is the letter before letter M? What is the letter before letter M? Number 3. Is letter O a vowel sound? Yes or no? Is letter O a vowel sound? Yes or no? Number 4. Is letter G a vowel sound? Yes or no? Is letter G a vowel sound? Yes or no? Number 5. Complete the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, blank. Complete the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, blank. Number 6. Complete the missing number. 5, blank, 15, 20, 25. Complete the missing number. 5, blank, 15, 20, 25. Number 7. Complete the missing number. 10, 20, 30, 40, blank. Complete the missing number. 10, 20, 30, 40, blank. And now, children, I will give you 30 seconds to review your answers. Time is up. Let us check your answer. What is the 5th letter of the English alphabet? The answer is letter E. Second question. What is the letter before letter M? The answer is letter L. Third question. Is letter O a vowel sound? The answer is yes. Number 4. Is letter G a vowel sound? The answer is no. Number 5 question. Complete the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 5. 6th question. Complete the missing number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the answer is 10. And number 7, complete the missing number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is the answer. And please write down your score at the comment section below for me to know if you have learned from this lesson. Our word for this video is the word unity. Unity is a noun. The definition of unity is togetherness or oneness. The opposite of unity is divided. I will use unity in a sentence. Unity is needed for the victory. The verb of the unity is unite. The adjective is united. The adverb is unitedly. So this is our word for this video. Friends, on this segment, I will give you a tip. This is all about the word the. T-H-E. Do you know that when we use the in a sentence, it has two pronunciations? For example, the house, the dog. Because house and dog begin with consonant sounds, that is why we should pronounce the determiner the as the. But if the next word for the word the begins in vowel sound, it is pronounced as the. Example, the apple, the ice cream, the eye. When we wish to place emphasis on a particular word, we can use emphatic the, whether or not the word begins with a consonant or vowel sound. The word the is considered as a definite article because it is used to refer to something specific. It is also placed before a noun. So remember, the THE has two pronunciations in a sentence like the and the. The if the next word begins with consonant, and the when the next word begins with vowel sound. And that is my tip for this video. And that's all for this lesson. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell to stay updated with my next videos. Thank you very much. Shukran jazilan. And always remember, you are amazing.